All right, so next up, we're gonna head to one of my favorite places for dinner. Sitting just east of the square and inside an old grocery store warehouse, this is Local Yocal Barbecue and Grill. Local Yocal is taking fire and meat to another level. With a true chef at the helm and an unrivaled whiskey program, this place looks very different from other barbecue joints.
So I tell people this is the nicest place you can ever eat traditional Texas barbecue. And it's maybe the most casual place you can ever get a dry-aged 20-ounce bone-in Wagyu ribeye.
This is owner, rancher, butcher, and the big beef, Matt Hamilton.
Well, you know, some places, you gotta be nice. You gotta be quiet. And we can laugh and have fun here and tell jokes. And
It's a true Texas
it's okay.
steakhouse, right?
Yeah. So the name is Local Yocal.
Yeah.
Everything's local and I'm the yokel. That's the big joke. So we really do try to find the best things local, but not at the sacrifice of quality. So if it's local and not good, thanks for stopping by. How's your mom and them?
Yeah.
So you can't fly the local flag and put away the quality flag.
This operation started as the butcher shop and market that's just off the square, where Matt literally raised almost every ounce of beef they sold. And to help folks know the right way to cook a steak, he launched a Steak 101 class. Long story short, hosting others turned into what you see today, with an incredible menu going well beyond the beef, with things like smoked pimento cheese.
So Chef Adam West, this is his brainchild.
Whatever he did, it's magic.
Yeah, so
it's
fun.
magic.
And everybody's like, why is the bread so good? Well, everything cooked over a wood fire is good.
Wood-fired burgers, grilled shrimp and grits, even wood-fired salads. But let's not forget about the wood-fired steak.
I'm in the mood for a steak.
I've got a nice, petite, small, 20-ounce bone-in ribeye here. Whew, love the Wagyu ribeye.
Does it come in sizes smaller than 20?
No, there's no small. This is Texas.
Okay.
Well, it's a good thing I haven't eaten anything today. Sheesh. Yet I can't pass up something so magnificent.
Let me just note that we are standing in the presence of true beauty. The Texas-style Mona Lisa. I haven't seen something so beautiful since my wife walked down the aisle on our wedding day. This is that level.
Really?
Oh,
You're
yeah.
comparing your wife to a steak.
Yeah, I am. Two beautiful things that make me very happy. I'm honest. Green chili mac and cheese on the side. But let me just show you this right here. Oh yeah. Let's go straight into the heart of the beast. Steak don't get no better. That is incredible. Just eat and smile. Not at the same time though, it's really hard to do that. Yes, yes, and yes. That is good. You know, on a good Texas steak, all the fat is the flavor if it's cooked right. And this is just perfection right here. Flavorful perfection. Man.